The most valuable resource for a student is time. So it is important for a student to understand the value of time. So every expert's suggestion is to maintain a time schedule, which is a timetable. Without timetable, students waste their lot of precious time. Timetable helps students to allot proper time for each activity in a balanced manner. Creating a timetable or schedule is a bit harder than you think because you need to prioritize the subject and other activities such as friends, family, and your other activities. If you attend your study timetable every day by knowing the value of time and making the time productive, then you can easily achieve your goals. There are some expert tips to make a timetable. So let's discuss one by one. First tip is making a list of responsibilities. Note down the activities which you follow in your daily routine, which include your time of going to college, or time spent in your lectures, household works, and other activities, such as playing, spending time with friends and families, sleeping, girlfriends, etc. Sorry, not girlfriends, girlfriend. Second tip is make a list of your books and subjects of your course. Why we have to make a list of books and subjects? Because sometimes for a particular subject we refer more than one book. So you schedule your timetable in such a way that you can finish a book referring for each topic and go for other. One more thing to keep in mind that some subjects might be easier for you and require less time when compared to other subjects. So check the subjects and prioritize them according to your difficulty levels. Third tip is check the time available for studying. We have only 24 hours a day. So we have to subtract the time to utilize it for sleep, going to college, spending time with families, friends, playing, etc. And utilize the leftover time for studying. So that's why you have to arrange the timetable very effectively. Fourth tip is writing your timetable on a paper. I believe writing a timetable on a paper is more effective rather than the other sources like scheduling it in your mobile. And the benefit of writing in your paper is that if you write your timetable in your paper, you can stick anywhere around you so that you can see it all the time, which will keep you concentrated and help to achieve your goals easily. Set short-term and long-term goals. Of course, as a student, our long-term goal is to finish our year with good marks. So keep your short-term goal as chapters. Not even chapters. If chapters are so long, break it into 2 or 3 parts so that you can feel as achieving something if you complete that short-term goals. And please keep a reward for every short-term goal you achieve. For example, if you like to have a chocolate or if you like to play the game after every short-term goal, then you can surely do it. But keep in mind that you have timetable to follow. We all prepare timetables. We are doing it from maybe class 5th or class 7th. But a lot of us will do mistakes in preparing a timetable. So what are those mistakes? Let's discuss about it. First goal that we do at early stage only, that is not having a proper goal. Without a goal or purpose, nothing is possible. So if you have a goal, then only prepare a timetable. Because the one who plan is the one who succeed. Second mistake that we do is choosing a wrong activities at a bad time. As we all know, in a whole day we don't have a same energy level. So according to the energy levels, we have to schedule our timetable. That is the time when we have a high energy level, we have to schedule a difficult subject at that time. And the times when we have a low energy levels, that time we have to schedule easier subjects. Third mistake that we do is being unrealistic with time. As we have some knowledge about the subjects, we may know how much time that subject or chapter will take. So don't waste your time by giving more time to that subject or chapter, or even don't underestimate by giving less time where perfection cannot be achieved. Fourth mistake that we all do is not adding breaks in our schedule. Keep it in mind that human mind gets tired at every 90 minutes of any work. So give break after every 90 minutes. So guys, please make a timetable according to your energy levels and according to your knowledge about that subjects and according to your goals. Please start reading other books which will give you more life knowledge than the subject knowledge, because this is only matters after you complete your study. As we all know, the study years in your life is 20 years and the remaining all years that we have is of life years. So we have to concentrate on life years as well. So please start reading other books also. I will give you in description which books is best for students. So guys, this is all about today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. फिर मिलते हैं.